In the world of home entertainment, the Samsung Premier 8K projector stands as a testament to the incredible advancements in technology that have made the cinema experience accessible in the comfort of our homes. This ultra-short throw projector is not just a device. It's a gateway to an immersive world of crystal-clear visuals and captivating audio that rivals the most sophisticated movie theaters. Design and build quality. The Premier 8K's design is a harmonious blend of elegance and functionality. Its sleek form factor, with a sophisticated mix of metal and wood, exudes a premium feel that complements any living space. The ultra-short throw technology allows for the projector to be placed mere inches from the wall, minimizing space requirements while maximizing screen size. Picture quality. At the heart of the Premier 8K is its cutting-edge projection technology. With wireless connectivity via the OneConnect box and Wi-Fi 7, it delivers 8K video over 10 meters, ensuring that every frame is a visual treat. The projector boasts a resolution that brings the minutest details to life, creating a 150-inch screen that immerses you in a sea of vibrant colors and deep contrasts. Audio performance. Samsung's Sound On Screen technology promises a cinematic surround sound experience. With 100 W of power at its disposal, 8.2.2 channels, and Dolby Atmos virtual surround sound, the Premier 8K creates an audio environment that envelopes you in every scene. Whether it's the subtle rustle of leaves or the thunderous roar of an engine, the sound is as compelling as the visuals. User experience. The Premier 8K is designed to be user-friendly, with a comprehensive smart system that integrates seamlessly with other Samsung devices. The operating system, while occasionally sluggish, offers a plethora of apps and services at your fingertips. Setting up the projector might require some patience, but the reward is a viewing experience that is second to none. Performance in different lighting. One of the most significant challenges for projectors has been performance in various lighting conditions. The Premier 8K rises to the challenge with its 2,800 lumens of laser-driven brightness, ensuring that whether you're watching in a dark room or one with ambient light, the picture quality remains consistently stunning. Value for money. When the Premier 8K first hit the market, its price tag was a hefty one. However, with recent price adjustments, it has become a much more accessible luxury for those seeking a high-end home cinema experience. It's a worthwhile investment, considering that any TV capable of delivering a similar picture size would cost significantly more. The verdict. The Samsung Premier LSP9T is a marvel of modern technology that has set new standards for home entertainment. Its combination of superb picture quality, powerful audio, and a user-friendly interface makes it a top contender in the market. While there are minor drawbacks, such as the occasional rainbow effect and some less-than-ideal presets for dark scenes, they are far outweighed by the projector's strengths. As we look forward to the release of the new Premier 9 model in 2024, which promises even greater brightness and enhanced sound with Dolby Atmos processing, it's clear that Samsung is committed to pushing the boundaries of what's possible in home cinema. The Premier LSP9T, at its current price point, is not just a projector. It's an investment in an unparalleled viewing experience that will delight cinephiles and casual viewers alike.